What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, without wasting much of your time, so sorry that making this video now. Woke up this morning, no electricity. I wanted to turn up, a whole lot of nonsense happened. So back to where we're currently at right now. You could see this is definitely the chart I use in letting us know where the current market is. I have two Bitcoin long position. The first liquidation price is at 42,000 and the second is at 38,000. I hope to, add more margin to this trade. And with the situation of things also, Bitcoin is in a very critical situation because you could see from the weekly time frame, we are definitely below the 200 weekly EMA, the 200 weekly moving average. And with the look of things, we are also trying as much as we can to break out of this resistance right here. Like I've been saying, we've been trying so much to break out of this resistance between 64,873 to $65,822. So the question right now is, okay, what are the chances that Bitcoin will be breaking out of this resistance? The chances are really, really slim, especially given the fact that it seems like we've broken out. But if you look at it from the weekly time frame, I think I need to, give us another chart right here, BTC USDT. Okay, so sorry about that. The B didn't, BTC USDT is this one that I have right here. Okay, I think I need something else. Let me move straight to what I haven't used. Okay, we could see clearly right here that the BTC USDT right here, ever since this all-time high at 126,600, we have, basically been in a downtrend for the longest. This obviously is a downtrend. And if I should, bring this around here, we could say maybe Bitcoin has broken out, given the fact that you could see clearly that you could see we retested this level on multiple occasions. And you could see right here, we finally broke out, retested this level. We have been consolidating here for the longest. So this right here is something we need to take note of right here. The fact that we still have this resistance to break at over $65,835. If you definitely been watching my video, you definitely know that this is a very serious resistance where Bitcoin needs to break out of. So you could see we haven't broken out of this resistance right here. We haven't broken out of this resistance, hence the reason why we are still consolidating. And this consolidation phase right here, there are two major scenarios that could play out. It's either we break out of this resistance and find support around this level at 65,400, consolidate around here a little bit before rallying much higher, or we could just end up, getting rejected from here, this resistance at 65,300, and we could drop even much lower to probably 50,000 because the dump is going to be very, very massive. But in terms of how massive this dump is going to be, I don't think it's going to be all that massive because we could end up dropping all the way down to $53,000 being our next major support right here. You could see this might be our next major support for Bitcoin. So with the look of things right here, things are not actually looking that bad. We could just end up dropping all the way down from where we currently are right now to this major level, which is roughly 20% pullback from here. I would definitely be copying, the lows if Bitcoin decides to dump. So I think this is just definitely what we need to have in mind right here. There are major scenarios right here we need to consider accumulating Bitcoin for sure. So yep, that is just definitely it. Nothing too serious at the moment. If anything plays out, I will definitely be here to let each and every one of us know how things are going on with Bitcoin. I don't know if I can add this right here to this chart. Okay, I have added that. So without wasting much of your time, with this other chart right here, which is definitely my accumulation chart for Bitcoin. You could see from the, I think the 4 hours right here, we have gotten rejected from this resistance right here at 64,852. I made it known to us that this resistance has been very difficult for Bitcoin to break at all. We've majorly been getting fake out upon fake out upon fake out upon fake out upon fake out, and this is not something good. You could see we've kind of gotten another fake out right here, and with the look of things right here, it only means one thing: we could end up getting a serious spike to the downside. So, you know, if we get a breakout, I won't actually consider the breakout a valid breakout until I get enough confirmation that we are finally broken out. You know, the USDT dominance right now is looking stable, though we've dropped down again, which is obviously really good. Like I've been saying, we need to break below this area, and with the look of things right here, we might still end up seeing Bitcoin rallying, given the fact that you could see we've broken below 8.430. We are definitely low right here. We could retest 8.396 and we could drop all the way down to 8.28%. So this is definitely very good to take note of for sure. The crude oil right now still looking very much elevated. We're still trading above $80 due to the whole recent war situation. You know, S&P 500 looking bearish right here. You could see with the look of things right here, we've broken major support, major levels right here. You know, we've dropped below this major support at 7,753. We could be on our way down to 7,675 dollars. So this right here is all we need to know right now, and if anything plays out, I will be here to let each and every one of us know. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.